Hi there, this is Chris from Melotti Media Copywriting and Message Marketing Bureau, and I'm here for 1 minute to do a quick website health check for you or with you. So people often ask, does my website, present the best front? Am I getting the best results from it? Here's a quick, really fast health check for you to do. Number one, define your customer. Really define them. Who is the ideal person that you want eyeballs onto your website? Number two, define their key pain points when they first interact with you. So what is it they're looking for? Do they know about your service? Do they know about their needs? What are their challenges? And number three, fine-tooth comb your website. Does every section reinforce their reasoning to go with you? Does each section tell them and compel them as to why they should go with you? That is a really quick health check for your website. If you do those 3 steps and then you audit your website, that will help you get better results from your website. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.